Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs. Hyperlinks let you quickly link text to websites, documents, email addresses, and more. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to add a hyperlink. Next, select the text you want to turn into a hyperlink by clicking and dragging over it. Now click Insert at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Link. A small dialog box will appear. Paste or type the website URL into the link field. Once you've entered the link, click Apply. The selected text will now become a clickable hyperlink. To test it, click on the linked text. A preview of the link will appear. Click the link again to open the website in a new tab. If you ever need to change the hyperlink, click on the linked text and then select the Edit Link icon. To remove the hyperlink completely, click Remove Link. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next one.